Hand her over to me now.
I am the servant of Ogugu. And whosoever that runs to Ogugu for protection must be protected.
I say you hand her over to me now, or you die.
If you do not depart from here, it is you who will die. This would have been avoided if you had listened to me. Ogugu is a goddess of vengeance and justice, but is also a goddess of mercy and forgiveness. Let me help.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you.
How did you get involved with him?
My stepmom, she sent me to come and fetch firewood. And I was grabbed.
It seems you're new in this village. Because you're supposed to know that no one comes deep into this forest on a market day.
I have heard stories, but I didn't know they were real. But my stepmom, she insisted I come to this forest to fetch the firewood.
I hope you're not hurt.
No. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
I sense great evil. I sense the presence of a great evil. We need to leave here at once.
Okay.
Save your strength, little girl. You are no match for me.
I may be little in your eyes, but
Quiet! You are in the presence of Odogwu. Thus is my forest. How dare you involve yourself in things that do not concern you?
Anything that concerns the people of this village concerns the servants of Ogugu. You did not have to kill her.
She trespassed and she paid the price. You killed one of my minions and now you will pay the price.
do not have any issues with you. I have left the forest. I am now in my territory. Go back to the forest. I do not want to harm you.
Ijele, the little girl, has touched the tiger's tail. I will show her that I am called Odogwu for a reason. Odogwu anyame. The oracle that demands 7 will never accept 8. Mwonele sa. Enye sato. Omanwe.
From the forest has invaded our village.
What do you mean?
The gorilla we have been hearing the stories about. I saw them today with my 2 naked eyes.
Impossible. I thought it was a fairy tales.
Fairy tales, you said, Nai. I was in the farm today, walking, when one of them chased Ijele into the farm. I ran for my dear life. Nai, I don't know the abomination Ijele has committed that made the gorilla come to our village for the first time in history.
Silent. Ijele is the daughter of odogwu.
Nai, don't defend Ijele because she's your daughter. Tell me, since your life, have you ever seen or heard that the gorilla has entered this village? Why now? Ask yourself that question. Why was she being chased? If her hands are clean?
Ijele, you have been silent since you returned, and the village is talking about it. You know I'm next in the line of service of Ogugu. So please tell me what happened.
I failed her.
You failed who?
The girl I met in the forest. I mean, I could not even ask for her name before she was killed.
Killed by the gorillas?
No, by the one who controls them.
What?
Yes, he calls himself Odogwu.
What? Someone controls the gorillas? I never believed gorillas do exist. And now you are saying someone controls it too.
Ogechi,
what is happening?
There is so much that we do not know. This This world is filled with mysteries.
Ijele, I know you must be tired and need rest. Permit me to consult Odogwu so I can know what happened.
Do not worry about that. I'll do that myself later.
Okay, no problem.
We had an agreement. Odogwu, please forgive me. Whatever wrong I have done, I will remedy it. Don't kill me. If I wanted to kill you, you'll be dead already. You stink of fear. The agreement was that you people will stay away from my side of the forest, and I will stay away from your side. But that agreement was broken today by the one that calls herself Ijele. The royal family has 4 market days to remedy this. Else,
daughters of the night, I am not happy with this coven. I was told that this coven was decimated by a little girl that calls herself Daughter of Light.
She was strong and had power that I have never had before.
You were saying?
Nothing, Grand Witch. Forgive me.
This kind of failure will not be tolerated. The people belong to us. Go out, kill, plunder, give them sorrow. Their sorrow gives me joy.
No. Now listen. I am just coming from an emergency meeting in the palace. The king and the cabinet has resolved that henceforth, your daughter and her people should not parade themselves in the streets of the village.
Oh no.
Everything she wants to do should be done in her shrine.
Is it because of what happened yesterday?
Thank God you heard. And the king has also barred everyone from entering the forest. Warn your daughter, unless you want to be banished with her.
Oh no. I don't understand this rush decision. Eh? Have you people heard her own side of the story? Eh? I think the king should summon her to hear from her. Eh? Let her explain what happened.
What happened is that gorillas entered this village. Something that has never been done before. Bono, you are warned. You are warned.
Father, that is what happened.
Strange. But you don't know who the girl was. And nobody reported his daughter missing. Strange. As a child, when I heard the story of the forest from my father, I felt it was just to scare us from going deep into the forest. We were told that even the bravest hunters dare not enter into the deep forest. And you are here telling me that a man lives in the forest with animals. Strange.
What is more strange is that I no longer see visions. Ever since then, Odogwu has not spoken to me. He has not even told me anything through Afa. I don't know what is happening. I'm just confused.
That is why you must go and see the king yourself and tell him everything.
The people of Amago, hear my voice. The king and the cabinet have passed a decree that no religious group should perform any activity anywhere in this kingdom apart from their church or their shrine, that any defaulter shall be banished. No one should enter the evil forest. Ajofia, onye were ntị, ya ọ nọrọ.
The king has made a very wrong decision.
Decision based on fear and misinformation. That is why you must see the king.
Greetings, Ono.
What are you doing here? Did you not get the king's message?
My father told me about your visit. And I also heard the announcement from the town crier.
Then why are you here?
We are coming from the palace.
I went to see the king, but I was denied access into the palace. So I came to see you.
The king cannot see you. And I have nothing more to tell you than for you to go back to the shrine of Ofoegbu and remain there. The decision has been made.
It is a wrong decision. A decision based on fear and misinformation.
How dare you? How dare you say that the king and his entire cabinet are afraid and misinformed? Now listen, little girl. Let me inform you, if you dare parade yourself in the street of this kingdom to perform any kind of ritual or set your foot in the forest of Ajofia, you and all your families will be punished. Now, get out of my compound! Leave!
Take this money. Hurry to Ekume's shop and buy detergent for me. Hurry so that you can have your lunch.
Okay, ma.
Help! What happened to piano? Somebody help! Help! Ifan! Somebody help! What happened to him? What happened to him? Help! What happened? I don't know. I don't know what happened to him. He's not breathing. Hey! He's not breathing. What is it?
Ifeanyi Nwagi just collapsed on the road.
Chimo.
Nah, just collapsed on the road.
Where?
Down there. Down the road.
Someone
No. I saw everything. I saw everything with my eyes. Ifeanyi was just playing along the road with his football happily when he passed Ijele and her maidens. Immediately he passed them, he collapsed. I don't know what they did to him. I don't know what they did to that boy. Oh no. Ijele is becoming something else in this village. And you people should put eyes on that. Try to find out. I don't understand that Ijele anymore. You people should do something about it before it gets out of hand. Squam.
Ijele, I don't understand what is happening.
Neither do I.
You know, our people say that it is better for a dog to die in front of a hen's house than a hen to die in front of a dog's house. Because the dog will be accused of killing the hen.
That's a very deep proverb.
And that is what is happening to us now. The village is whispering already, saying that we are responsible for the death of that boy.
Ogechi, you know, ever since I ventured deep into the forest of Ajofia, I no longer see visions. And Ogugu has not spoken to me since then. I'm just... I don't know what is happening. You know, I think you should try and see if Ogugu will speak through to you. You know, I think you should try and see if Ogugu will speak to you through the Afa.
Really?
Yes. I mean, you're next in line. And I think maybe I have done something wrong. That's why the spirit has left me.
May the gods forbid. The spirit will never leave you. Okay? They will never leave you.
What is going on?
They will never leave you. Okay?
Sineka, I'm afraid though. You are what?
No, afraid of what exactly? See, Shoma, Ogugu shows us to serve her for a reason. You don't need to be afraid of anything. Didn't you hear what Jonomu said? And then, that little boy just died right in front of us. See me, I don't want my family to be banished. Something is not right.
I agree with you. Something is not right, but we don't have to be afraid.
Exactly. What do you want us to do? Haven't you noticed that Ijele no longer has vision and that spirit no longer responds to her children?
Seems like Ogechi has gotten what she almost wanted. Overheard Ijele telling Ogechi to consult with on her behalf. Imagine the referral.
She has always been too proud.
Exactly.
Now she will want to command everyone.
Ladies,
See, Ogechi, Neka, this should be the least of our concern right now. Our concern should be how we're going to perform the cleansing ritual. It has not been heard of that a cleansing ritual is not performed to ward off evil from the village.
Exactly.
My concern is the poor villagers. They're going to suffer for it.
This is not good for our people, honestly.
It's very bad for our
What is going on? Not again! Ogogo, answer me! Answer me! Speak to me. Please, speak to me. Your humble servant is here. Please. Not again. Again.
Neka, Chioma, did you hear someone call my name?
No.
I thought I heard Ijele call my name.
If Ijele called your name, we all could have had it. So, no one called you. What is it? I don't know. We were just talking and she suddenly screamed.
And why are you shouting and distracting me from my concentration? I was consulting Ogugu to show us a clear path. And you're here shouting.
What is it? Did you have a vision?
Yes.
What did you see?
I was in the forest and I saw a huge man. He was on dreadlocks with gorillas standing beside him, and they attacked him.
It's okay, just calm down.
Gorillas.
Daughters of the night. Aye. Daughters of the night. Aye. Daughters of the night.
Aye! Can you feel the fear? The anguish? The tension of the people? I can smell it. I can feel it. I can taste it. This is just the beginning. This village is ripe to be plucked. And we shall pluck it and squeeze it of every ounce of joy we have. Daughters of the night!
Aye! Daughters of the night! Aye! Daughters of the night! Aye! Daughters of the night! Aye!
Who is that who dares enter my forest without my permission? Reveal yourself or die.
Greetings, the great odogwu. I come in peace.
Daughters of darkness do not bring peace.
It's not every day that someone stands before greatness. Your reputation precedes you. You are a legend, a myth, but you have hidden so long in this forest. You should be feared.
I am feared.
The great odogwu. You should be worshipped. You should be revered. Sacrifices dropped at your feet. Altars built in various places where people will come to worship you. But you have been forgotten. Nobody worships you any longer. Your ancient altars have been farmed upon. Churches built upon it. The people only fear your apes, and that will end one day.
Why are you here?
The great odogwu, the enemies of my enemy, is my friend.
Ijele.
Yes. Join me. Let us put fears in the hearts of the people. Let us remove the servants of Ogugu. Let us cause chaos in this village so that people will come back and worship you. Great Odogwu.
Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Yeah?
I want to go to the market. I'm in a hurry.
I hope you have your key because I'm going out.
Nai, thank you so much. I forgot.
Uh-huh.
Hey!
Hi. Ewo! Ewo!
We need to go to your house quickly. Your father and your stepmother are in danger. What? Yes, I just saw it in a vision. We need to hurry. Let's go, hurry! Hurry! Wait for me. Shouldn't we go with them? Come, let's go.
Shouldn't you be at home to look after the compound? Look after where? I don't think so.
We need to follow them.
Are you sure?
They might be in danger.
I told her as soon as I saw it.
Mama, please.
Does this really mean that the spirit have left Ijele and Odogwu and has chosen Nkechi as the next Agbara? Nkechi of all people. What does she even know? She hasn't been with us for that long. If the spirit has chosen Nneka or even this clown Chioma, I would understand. But why will the spirit leave I, who is next in line, to start giving vision to Nkechi? Why? This is not fair.
These visions are a huge burden. Odogwu the Great One, please, I'm not ready for these great responsibilities. If Ijele has done something wrong, please forgive her and give her back her gift of vision and healing. I don't want it. If you must give it out, give it to someone else. Give it to Ogechi or the other maidens. Please, I don't want it. I don't want this gift.
Take this money. Go and give to Madam Ushendo. Tell her it's my due for the year. And she should write the receipt and give you immediately. Okay?
Okay, ma.
Hurry up.
Mama, I'm back, oh. Mama? Why is she lying down there? Oh, she... No. Mama! 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 Nne. Mama, wake up. Mama, please wake up. Mama, please wake up. Mama, please wake up now. Mama, wake up now. Why are you lying down here now? Mama, please wake up. Nne, wake up. Mama, please. Mama, please wake up. Somebody... Hey!
no, no, please, 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 oh.
Hey!
My mother. Who will I call mommy again? Who will I call mother? Who will take care of my sister?
It's okay.
Hey!
It's okay. Please calm down. It's okay.
Hey!
It's okay. It's okay. Swear.
Hey! What happened? Hey!
Just recently that my mother is dead.
What? I'm so sorry, okay? So you did not see it?
No.
No. You have vision. You were supposed to see vision and save our people from evil. Who was clearly giving you the power you have been choosing? And now you are standing here to tell me that you did not see it. Is this not wickedness?
Okay.
Is this not wickedness?
That's enough.
You!
Okay, that's enough.
You're fine.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Memo! Who will I call mother?
It's okay.
Both of you, please.
Who will take care of my mother?
Just take that inside.
Who will take care of my sister?
It's okay.
Hey!
Let's go inside.
I'm fine.
Take her inside.
I'm
Both of
okay.
you.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Just tell me.
It's okay. You're fine.
Hey!
Swear, stop crying.
Nkechi, come and sit. Nkechi, please.
Do not take whatever she said to heart. Inugo, remember, a grieving person can say anything.
But, Ijele, I don't want these responsibilities. I don't want it.
Nkechi. Uneasy lies the head that wears the crown. Sometimes the gods choose a life that we do not want for us. If I was given a choice, I would have gone to school. Yes, I would have given birth to beautiful children, had a beautiful family. But here I am, living like this, so that others can live a normal life.
Ijele, the people who fight these spiritual battles for don't appreciate us. Some fear us. Those that come to us for help. How is it? You've lost both parents. And Nkechi have lost her mother. Ijele, I'm worried. I'm worried.
Nkechi, do not worry. Trust me, everything is going to be fine. Okay?
Are you sure?
I am very sure about that. Everything is going to be fine. So just relax, okay? You will be fine.
Okay.
Ogugu is still very silent. But it is very clear to me that Nkechi has been choosing to take over the mantle. I think I have to guide her on how to control her powers as they begin to manifest. Yes, I have to guide her.
Thank you. Ijele, I am so sorry about my outburst yesterday.
It's fine. I understand.
Thank you. Please, I need your help with something.
Okay. What is it?
My sister said she is scared where she is and she wants to come and stay with me for a while. I know only those chosen by Ogugu lives here alone. But please, can she come and stay for a while, please?
Of course she can. I mean, why not? She's free to come.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
May the gods bless you. Thank you.
Shoma, let me help you.
She's back.
Okay, she's back.
I miss you, my darling. Okay, welcome home. Your sister is beautiful. Okay. Your sister?
Yes. Daughters of the night! Aye! 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 Daughters of the night! Aye!
What is it? Your sister. I saw her with some witches. What? She's possessed. Sister, what is wrong with you? Why are you scaring my sister? No. I know what I saw. She's evil. How dare you? Why must you say that? No, you should not fight! You should not fight, please! Please don't! Okay, she's okay now! What is wrong with the both of you? I just stepped out for an hour and you both started fighting in a sacred place.
She had no right to call my sister evil.
I only said what I was shown in a vision.
What useless vision?
Silence, Ogechi! Silence! I know you have desired to be chosen by Odogwu as the next Agbara. But the ancestral spirit searches the hearts to know why you desire such power. Ever since Nkechi saw her first vision, you've despised her. I've noticed it. And that is what pushed you to slap her. And Nkechi,
Ijele,
I know you do not want this responsibility, but you've been choosing for it. And it is my duty to teach you and to tell you how to interpret these visions. Okay? So just relax.
What do you think about this you're about going to get? I think I'll be able to calm it and she'll like it. Yes, I'll cook it.
Ngozi, what are you doing here?
Ngozi, why did you follow us to this place? Why? Your sister Oge, she will be very angry. And she might think we are the one who asked you to come with us. Start going home.
See, I don't want Oge to trouble before she start looking for someone to slap.
Exactly, my sister. You know that girl is full of drama. Choma, do you know what? Let me get the herbs and the roots that we need. Why you take her home?
No, I will get the herbs. You take her home. I don't want any drama with Ogechi.
You think so? You shouldn't have come here with us. Aya, come. Let's start going home. Let's go home. Let's go home.
I just had a vision.
Yes. Nick and Chioma are in danger.
You saw it too?
Yes. Yes, I did.
So your vision has returned?
Yes. We need to hurry. We need to hurry and stop Odogwu and the Grand Witch. Yes. We need to go. Grand Witch.
Auntie.
How?
I don't know how I got here. And where is my sister?
Huh? Ngozi! How did you get here?
She is not your sister. I can see you for who you truly are. Grand Witch.
Sister, she's carrying me and I don't know what she's talking about. Please take me home. I want to go home. Please let me go.
Yourself. Oh. Ijele! Ijele, stop this at once. You're hurting my sister. She's just a child. And I'm taking her home now.
It is time to end this charade.
Where is my sister?
I took her form so I can penetrate into your sacred place. Your sister is dead, just like your mother. And as for you, Ijele, you can no longer disappear. This is the end. It's time for all of you to die.
Let's put an end to this.
Daughters of the night!
Aye!
Attack!
What just happened?
I don't know.
How did we get from there to here?
I don't know. It might be Ijele.
What?
She sent us back home.
It's not Ijele. If it is Ijele, she would have been here with us by now. It's you. Yes. Ogugu has given you the power to vanish. Take us back.
No. It's not me. It's not me. It can't be me.
Take us back. We need to get her now. She needs our help.
I don't know how.
You don't know how. You don't know how.
What are we going to do?
Okay. Concentrate.
Okay.
Eh?
Okay.
Just concentrate. Your hands. We are still here. You know what? We need to run. We need to run. Ijele, please don't die. Ijele, please.
Ijele! 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 Ijele, wait for me. Ijele!
You are not meant to be here.
But my friends are here. I need to take them back home.
They have gone beyond the point of no return.
What about Ijele? Can I take her back?
She can return if the price is paid.
Price? What price?
A life for a life. Her life for yours.
Ogechi! 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 Ijele! Ijele! We thought you are dead. Please, I don't know what is wrong with Ogechi, please.
Yes.
Please, Jama! Okay.
Yes. Yes, I was dead. I was dead, but Ogechi intervened and exchanged her life for mine.
What? Okay.
She paid the ultimate sacrifice. She died so that I would live and put an end to all this nonsense.
Okay. Okay.
Nkechi,
Ijele.
please, take their bodies home. I have scores to settle.
Okay. Okay.
Impossible.
You have outlived your purpose. It is time you join the ancestors.
I am Odogwu, Lord of these forests. No one can defeat me in my forest.
That was before you broke the ancient agreement and joined the Grand Winch in killing the people of this village. The spirit has left you. You are now a mere mortal.
Impossible.
You died!
You just witnessed the rise of Ijele. No matter how dark the night gets, the sun must surely rise. Your reign of evil has come to an end.
Ibu no gugu